Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Connecting a VDG cable to your motherboard is a common step when setting up RGB lighting for your PC. VDG stands for voltage, data, and ground. This specific 3-pin connector is mostly found on gigabyte motherboards. It allows your software to control the colors and patterns of your fans or LED strips. Look for a small cable with 3 holes. It usually says VDG on the plastic header. You need to find the matching header on your motherboard. Check near the edges of the board. Look for 3 pins sticking up with a label that says VDG. Align the holes in the cable with the pins on the board. Make sure the orientation is correct. Do not force the connection. It should slide on easily. If your motherboard does not have a VDG header, you might need an adapter. Modern boards often use a standard 3-pin RGB header instead. This looks similar but has a gap between the pins. VDG is an older style. Always turn off your power supply before plugging anything in. This prevents short circuits and damage to your hardware. Once connected, you can use your motherboard's RGB software to sync your lights. This gives your build a clean and professional look. Double-check that the cable is secure and not loose. A loose connection can cause flickering or no light at all. Managing your cables properly will also help with airflow inside the computer case. This simple task makes your gaming setup look amazing and bright. You are now ready to power on your system and enjoy your custom lighting effects.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.